So one of the things that occurred to me just now as I'm driving along is the way in which whoever the unidentified masked paramilitary officer who executed Alex Preddy in Minneapolis was, whoever that guy was, he was acting with the knowledge that Renee Good had been shot just the previous week or so. And that is certain to have informed him as to how he could behave, because Renee Good's killer was automatically defended uh, by the federal government. In fact, J.D. Vance went on national TV and said that he had absolute immunity, which, of course, as a Yale law graduate, he knew was not true. Even a lowly night school attorney like me knows that isn't true, you know? And the fact that that happened, and then instantly there was this rush to judgment, and there was a rush to smear her, there was this rush to defend this action, gave that agent who killed Alex Preddy knowledge that he would also be exonerated after committing this crime. That he would know as soon as he committed this crime that he would have the full weight of the federal government behind him, no matter how indefensible his action may be. And that is something I think a lot of Americans do not understand. Renee Good thought she was safe, and Alex Preddy also thought he was safe. And they behaved as though they were safe. They behaved as though they were dealing with regular police. And anybody who's dealt with the police, the mostly very professional police that we deal with on a day-to-day basis, know there are very, very serious rights into play when you're dealing with an American citizen under the United States Constitution. We have a tremendous amount of rights, both under state law and federal law, in dealing with the police. They are not some sort of absolute power. And that's the mistake I think we're making now, is that the Trump administration has greenlit every American citizen who shows up to oppose them.